So my people, I quote about reaction of Nnamdi court today, both 10th of February 2025, and the Igbo in general. You know what I mean? So some people saw all the arrogance. You know, I hope people saw the video now, what's happening in the courts, and the way it reacts, and the way Osisindo lawyer Henry Godefe go join ya zato ajuju. But nke bụ eziokwu ogene this man now no almost, if I'm not mistakenly, 4 years now. Eba. And then they had commit through equivalent personal to me and what the harmony. But I be asking that maybe and when they had committed to equivalent something or commit through, you know, they ever for 4 years. And in a release go. Something like a Ndigbo. I can't know and why you see. What of the police are from North and Abakari? Except to go case here. What of president of military Anla? Case any set to go. Why is Nnamdi college in North? Why is in the new cook here? So you could assume so you know about almost going to 4 years now. Could be a magana beer. Eh? Sometimes you get a fear in our courts. Sometimes I've not run a year so. Then where Dr. Gawia. Imagine. Up to Nnigbo honor. So here and some governor or some ministers need after Sigage release and the Kalage release. And what like if na court premises before. See, there's something is fishing somewhere. I strongly believe that something is fishing somewhere. Can't care with you. Because I won't find him to Ndigbo. Because the way you look at all the knock Igbo slave na Nigeria. All the Igbo slave na Nigeria. Because when you judge a beacon, I brought a man and may agitate for something, no. But truth have to be speak. Okay? When you see it this way now, when onye security personnel with onye Igbo, when the case here na dị iche. Case here na dị iche. You get a south now or north. If you too much of Genewo, you got bribery now, and I collect the money with tiny ike. It's not rampant like that. But Nanibo, when I make krokro, who are you? What will you do? You kushike, and make allegation, brogi. Because one thing about Ndigbo Genewo, that is it now. During the election, the governor people matter should be a cartoon in their vote. But HF one thing. Not difficult in if at the governor itself. Now so in the north anya. Or this is on the north now what in the Nachai. Or you look at what is happening now about this Ohaneze youth. In case you boni bianro according to Nosokwa. Can you Germany? According to Nosokwa. No, the government information now so thing wiki ime. The Flaming wiki be by Ibaga. So after that thing happen. This man send all police at the Amuria. One day, Ndigbo can do no major. Yeah, me. Apart from Abia State Governor, one day, Ndozo. Oh, Ndozo. God help us. Orakata. In fact, come when kwatowe money here. The only governor no respect to so much you are Abia governor. Igbo na tafu di egwu. Hapukwa nke na afugene wona Governor Soludo. Ndị security chiptra enweta a na-akpọsị ụmụazị na-eme people arrest ndị asị na-eme kidnapping na ndị na-ezu ori. Eziokwu na ihe ọjọọ ga-akpọ ihe ọjọọ, but nke wee eziokwu gịnị bụ, where is job? I know a country na-akpọ Nigeria, right? But hardly onye Igbo ga-graduate pụta nweta ọrụ. Hardly. Let me use police to give you example now. Nigeria enwenyere ka 1,000 police. Ndị Igbo nọ dị ya erughị 10 or 5. And that 5 ha nọ dị ya enwe nke ọnụ ruru n'okwu. So ya nọgo dị enwudo gị onye Igbo ibe ya. Ọgụrụ nke nwere obi mmadụ. Ọnụ onweghị ike isenwu biko hapụ ya. So my dear, just like somebody great was saying, which way Ndị Igbo, which way are we going? Yeah? And ekwu nke a na-ekwu, onye ọla fụra nke mere n'Obonyi, ka ndị Fulani si bịa kụdachi ụlọ mmadụ, gbucha ndị mmadụ. A whole governor na that place, ka ihe o mere, o change the story. Change the narrative. Instead, they ask again that those people are retaliate. But I couldn't care about you. Let's just be honest to ourselves. Ali was around the Guya during Buhari time. Take a chance to fly me, Ndigbo. And no government, our government can never say they don't know, but they can react. They know all those things. After all, Henry security now guy there. But what they don't know is gonna Abacho Saga Gamai. What do I mean by Abacho Saga Gamai? He will be governor today. Tomorrow he be X. Just like for example, Rocha Sukrocha. Okay, for no like bone one ne. Hana familia. And what's the nature and Kiagago? So I'm going to today. Okotoga digi echi one year na enakbo. And don't tell us that we regret we menke emenenka. I go line each of Ikari menka or amazing here. Or we actually know. You get us name head in ma near the ojo. We didn't choco but the managi. Ya dem mother la managi. Now, how do I go like this?